Hello everyone. Cardinalities in DBMS refer to the relationships between entities in a database. They describe the number of instances of one entity that can be associated with another entity. Here are the cardinalities commonly used in DBMS. 1-to-1, 1:1. In a 1-to-1 relationship, each record in one entity is associated with only one record in another entity, and vice versa. It implies a unique and singular relationship between the entities. 1-to-many, 1:n. In a 1-to-many relationship, each record in one entity can be associated with multiple records in another entity. However, each record in the other entity can only be associated with one record in the first entity. Many-to-1, n:1. In a many-to-one relationship, multiple records in one entity can be associated with a single record in another entity. It is the reverse of a 1-to-many relationship. Many-to-many, n:n. In a many-to-many relationship, multiple records in one entity can be associated with multiple records in another entity. To represent this relationship, an intermediary table, also known as a junction or linking table, is often used to connect the two entities. These cardinalities help define the relationships and dependencies between entities in a database, facilitating data organization, integrity, and querying. In DBMS, a relationship refers to the association or connection between two or more entities in a database. It describes how the entities are related or interact with each other. Relationships are used to represent the logical connections and dependencies between entities and are crucial for data modeling and database design. A relationship set, also known as an associative entity, is a collection of similar relationships that share the same attributes and participate in the same relationship type. It represents a group of relationships between entities. Relationship sets are typically represented by tables in a database schema, just like entity sets. They have their own attributes that describe the relationship itself, along with any additional properties associated with the relationship. For example, consider a database for a university. We may have two entity sets, student and course. The relationship between these entities could be enrollment, which signifies the enrollment of students in courses. The relationship set, enrollment, would consist of individual relationships, each representing a student's enrollment in a specific course, along with any additional attributes like enrollment date or grade. Relationship sets play a vital role in modeling complex data relationships, capturing the associations and dependencies between entities. They help establish the structure and integrity of the database, enabling efficient querying and retrieval of information. Thank you.